Welcome back, my dear students, to Sanskrit Amrit. Here we have lecture number 13. Specific topic we are going to discuss today. Last time you remember in last lecture we actually discussed about paper number 2, topic number 2. That was Paribhasha Padani, and the material is already sent in the group. And we discussed about one more grammar topic, that is Avyayani, right? So here I will share the screen and will explain something about the last topic that we discussed in the class. So you can watch that video. Link is already been shared with you people. Yeah, here actually this is paper number 1. Here you see, I hope the screen is visible to you clearly. In this paper number 1, topic number 4, Avyayani we discussed. Okay, this one. I will not send you the material for this because here if you people can see term 1A part is there. Now what is there in A? Identify Avyayani. So these are Avyayani. Avyayani means what? A kind of a word that does not have the table like Ramaha Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam Ramo, Raman like this. Right? They are used directly in the sloka, in the Sanskrit paragraph or sentences. For example, cho is there. Here cho means and. So cho directly will be used in the sloka or in a sentence in Sanskrit language, right? It does not have a form. Indeclinable it is. Avyayani means what? No vyayani, no vyayante iti avyayani. Those who are not changed, that is called avyaya, right? So cha, api, khalu, all these are avyayas which are not changed actually. They are used as it is in the sentence, right, or in the sloka. So this topic I already explained, and what you are supposed to do in term 1, whichever exam is going to be there in your university, in your college. In term 1A means only identification will be asked in the exam. So you must be aware about all these avyayas, students. All these words, what is the meaning of each word, that you must be aware, right? Cho means and, api means also, khalu means indeed. So that I already covered in the last video, you can go through, right? And then in term 2, B section is there. In B, what you see here, explain the meaning of with reference to context. So in this part, we will understand that this avyayas there in the sloka. For example, cho is there in the sloka. Now what is contextual meaning of this cho in that particular sloka? That will be asked in B part, that is in term 2. So that will not discuss. We'll discuss in term 2. And then in C part, construct the sentence using the avyayani. You have to prepare some sentences. That is in term 3, C part. Okay, so that we discussed. Now today, what we are going to understand, students. So pay attention. In paper number 1, topic number 8, here you read. What is the topic? Shabdaroopa is written by mistake. It's actually Shabdaroopa. Students, Shabda means noun. Shabda means noun or Shabda means word. Rupani means forms. You must be having the doubt like why forms? Why noun or word has forms? So today we are going to understand this topic actually, Shabdaroopa. Here you see 8.1. Pullingaha, Shabdaroopa. Pullingaha means masculine. All these things we'll understand. So let us have an introduction about this topic first. Alright. Now students, here on the screen you can see the nouns title is given. Now what is noun actually? Nouns means names, words, right? Here you read many are there. Rama, tree, army, milk, he, Ganesha, happiness. All these are called nouns. Here you will not find any verb, any action. Here you will find only nouns, right? So here different kinds of noun in English language we have. Now let us categorize, like for example in English language if you see, proper noun is there, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun, pronoun, adjective. All these types of nouns we find in English language. You must be aware about this, right? Suppose what is proper noun? Then a name of a boy or a girl or a thing, right? A particular name is called noun, proper noun. So Rama, Sita, we have actually here you see in this table, in all these columns, I have bifurcate all these words, all these nouns, right? like proper noun we have Rama, Sita, Vishnu, Ganesha, Sun, India, Ganga, from these all words. Common nouns like tree, boy, river, country, god, book, like this. So all these words that you can bifurcate and you can have a different nouns in English language, right? These are called nouns. Now let us see here. Nouns, as I said, proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, like this. And in Sanskrit it is called nama. Nama means a stem which has a particular meaning. That is called noun. Like Rama, Sita, Vishnu. God is called Deva in Sanskrit. Happiness, like Sukham or Sukham. Here we have Halantama, here we have dot. The reason behind this also I will explain later. Group is called like Samuha in Sanskrit. Milk is called Dugdam or Dugdam, like this. Now these are categorized into different types of noun, different type of names, right? Now here you see gender. In nouns we have gender also. Masculine, feminine, neuter. So what is gender? It is called linga in Sanskrit. Linga. Any noun in Sanskrit language inherently belongs to one of the three genders for sure, except pronoun I and you and indeclinable. I, you and indeclinable do not have any gender, but other nouns have the gender, right? So three genders: masculine, feminine, neuter. Masculine is called Pumlinga. What is called? It is Punlinga. Then feminine is called Strilinga. Strilinga. And neuter is called Napumsakalinga. Right? These terms you need to remember in Sanskrit language. Masculine noun, feminine noun, neuter noun. But in Sanskrit, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Now next we have pronoun. Now students, in English we have pronoun. It is called Sarvanama in Sanskrit. What is called? Sarvanama. A noun which is used in place of noun. Right? A word that is used in place of noun is, or person's name is called pronoun. Like I is called I, you, he, she, it we have. So I is called Aham in Sanskrit. Right? Let me zoom a little bit. Yes. You as Tvam, he is called Saha, she is called Sa, it is called Tat. You must be thinking why I am teaching this very faster. Here we are just getting an introduction of the things. This is not a particular topic is going to be asked in exam, something like what is called I in Sanskrit. No. Here we are just getting an introduction of a topic, Shabdaroopani. So we will come to these words. Before that, certain things you must understand, right? So this is what we are getting here. Pronoun Sarvanama, as we saw this in Sanskrit, I is called Aham, you is called Tvam. We'll understand this everything in detail, students. Here you are just getting the knowledge about this. Now adjective like that describes the noun, right? How the thing is, right? How the object is. Fat, small, long, short, like this. So happy, white, small, all these words are actually describing the things, the objects. So that are called adjective. Prasannaha, Swetaha, Lagu are the Sanskrit words for happy. Prasannaha, white, Swetaha, small, Lagu, like this. A Lagu term is used as light also in Ayurveda. Lagu means light also, right? And small also. So students, here actually you understood that all nouns are actually categorized in English language like proper, common, abstract, material noun and collective noun, adjective, everything. Sarvanama is a one word for pronoun. Now in Sanskrit language, all these noun, all these words are actually categorized differently. If you say in English like common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, no. In Sanskrit, words are categorized by the last sound. If you see Rama is actually ending with one sound O, right? Then you speak a word like Muni, that is ending with one sound E. So we will actually categorize these words, these nouns in a different category with which vowel ending it is. Right. Now here you read, let us throw some more lights on this. Here you read, a vowel ending proper noun is there. A ending proper noun. So here we have Mahadeva. This is ending with a sound, no? Lord Shiva, a. Kartikeya ending with a. Sudhakara ending with a. Mohana ending with a. Surya ending with a. These words you see, they all are ending with a sound. Right? And they are proper noun ending with a sound. And here we have another a ending common noun like Devalayah ending with a. Grama ending with a. Vrukshaha, Dvipaha, Samudraha. They are ending with a sound. Right? In Sanskrit. Meaning is also given here. Now, here you check different vowel ending masculine noun. Now we will, students, we will differentiate all the nouns into three gender: masculine, feminine and neuter. Masculine is called Pullingaha. Remember this in Sanskrit. Feminine is called Strilingaha. And Napumsakalinga is the word for neuter. Right? So let us categorize these words first. Still I am telling you, we are just getting the introduction, students. We haven't entered into this topic yet. This topic you see, we haven't entered into this topic. We are just getting the introduction of the nouns. So here different vowels ending masculine nouns are there. Different vowel ending. Here you read a word Deva ending with a sound. Jana ending with a sound. These are masculine words. Rama ending with a sound. Balaka ending with a. Muni is ending with E. Number 6, Ravi, Kavi, Sunny, all 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 words are ending with E sound. All are masculine only. Right? This is ending with A masculine, E masculine. Then here number 9, 10, 11 ending with U sound. Bhanu, Sadhu, Guru. You see the meaning also. Bhanu means sun. Right? This is also masculine. Now here number 12 is Pitru ending with Ru sound means father. 13 Bratru, Ru brother, Ru ending. Datru means donor ending with Ru. Savitru means son ending with Ru. So dear students, here you saw a different words ending with different vowels, but all these words are masculine, that are fixed. You are not supposed to decide which gender it is. It's already fixed. Right? You should just accept it as it is. Masculine, feminine, neuter. But here the words that I shown, they are actually masculine words ending with different vowels. Let us see some feminine words ending with different vowels. Different vowel ending with feminine, ending feminine noun. Different vowel ending feminine nouns. So here Lata ending with A sound, Rama ending with A sound, Mati, Shakti both ending with short E, Raswa E ending, Nadi, Devi, Saraswati, these ending with long E, you see. They are all are feminine words. Dhenu ending with short U means cow. That is U ending feminine words. Alright. Now last, different vowel ending neuter nouns. Right? Different vowel ending neuter nouns. Now here you read Phalam and Vanam. Basically the root word is Phala and Vana. So ending with A. Phalam means fruit, Vana. They are neuter. Phalam and Vanam both are neuter words. Right? We are having some more in neuter. Pustakam means book, Mandiram, temple, Puspam. Now here you read this word. This is ending with E sound. Vari, that is neuter, water. Madhu ending with U and honey. See here student, Madhu is neuter word, that means honey. And here in the previous table, here you see Dhenu. Dhenu means cow, but that is feminine word. Dhenu is feminine word. So all the words in Sanskrit language are actually categorized into 3 different genders. Right? Now here let us have some introduction about the different consonant ending nouns. Here you read this word. What is this? Vak. Here there is no vowel at the end of this word. There is ka consonant. So vak is consonant ending word. Vak means speech. Atman ending with na sound. This is root word, students. These all are root words. Atman ending with na means on, self. Bhavat ending with ta, you, for the honorable, respected or elder person. Bhavat you should say. You should not say tvam for the elderly people, right? You should use this respected word bhavat. Then vidvas ending with sa means scholar. Rajan ending with na, king. Paksin ending with na means bird. So like this, different consonant ending words we have. So dear students, here you got an introduction that all words in Sanskrit language are categorized into different gender and with different vowels. Alright, now let us understand how this word is having a table. You must have heard like Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramam. This kind of table you heard. But what is the meaning of each form? How these words are actually categorized, right? Let us understand this. Before that, you must be aware about certain things in this. Now see, here you read the title Karaka Introduction. Cases means vibhakti. Now students, listen to me carefully. In English language we are using different words, no? Like different preposition we are using. Like for example, if you want to say student is playing cricket in the ground. Student is playing cricket in the ground. How many nouns are there? Can anyone count and tell me? Don't count verb form. Student is playing cricket in ground. How many words are there? Don't count the verb form. Student is playing cricket in ground. How many words are there? Nouns.
3.
3. Student, cricket and in ground. 3 words are there. And what is the verb? What is the action?
Playing.
Playing is the action. So we will keep that action, playing, aside, and we are going to discuss about the other words. This kind of words you will find in the shloka, students. Alright. So now student is playing cricket in the ground. You people tell me, who is the doer? Who is the doer of the action? Action, playing action is there. Who is doing this action?
Students.
Student. Everybody got it? Student is playing the cricket. So student, remember, keep in mind for lifetime, one who is doing the action is called subject. The person who is doing the action is called subject. Another name for subject is called D-O-E-R, doer. Remember, doer. Clear? You can call the subject or doer. Now, student is subject and action is playing. What the student is playing? What?
Cricket.
Cricket. Now cricket is actually something is desirable by the subject by doing action. Now subject, the student is the subject who is doing some action. He is doing the action of playing. Now playing action is actually connected with what? Cricket. So that word, cricket word, is considered to be object. What? Object. I repeat. First, who is doing the action? Student. Student is called as subject. Number 1, clear. Student is playing. What? When you ask question WHAT, what? Whatever answer you get, that is to be object. So cricket is the object. Both things are clear, right? And then last we see in ground. So in that word ground, we have one preposition in. In. That is not subject, that is not object. That is a specific word where in preposition is used. Now, while somebody will ask you to convert this sentence in Sanskrit, how you are going to convert? You are supposed to use a different words, no? Now see, dear students, in Sanskrit language, if you want to say of Rama, listen to me carefully, of Rama in Sanskrit. In English we have of Ram. In Sanskrit we are having of preposition, of, and Rama. We will put one space in between, of space Rama. But in Sanskrit language we do not have a preposition for of. In Sanskrit what we will do? In Sanskrit we will modify the word Rama. We will be having some changes in the word Rama. So it will be Ramasya. Ramasya means of Rama. So what we have done, we haven't written a specific preposition after or before Rama. We have just changed the word. Rama becomes Ramasya. Ramasya means of Ram. Yes? True? You have doubt?
No.
Alright. So in Sanskrit language we will not write any preposition separately. We are having many prepositions, no? Of, by, into, on, for, from, through, with, at. These are prepositions that we are using in English before the word. But in Sanskrit we are not having this. Why? Because we will change the word in Sanskrit language. We will modify the word in Sanskrit language. Now you would be thinking, sir, how would we know that what is the Sanskrit of in Rama? What is the Sanskrit of Rama? What is Sanskrit of by Rama, from Rama, into Ram, at Ram? What we will do? Then you are having a facility. Pay attention now. On the screen you can read this sentence, Rama goes to school. What is the subject or doer? You already understood. The red color mark word, Rama is the subject. He is doing the action. It is called subject. Second sentence, I talk to Ram. Now here I is the subject, talk is the action, and with whom? To Ram. So here Ram is considered to be object to Ram. Read sentence number 3. This work is done by Ram. Now in this sentence, by preposition is used before Rama, so that is called as instrumental. This by Ram is called as instrumental in English. If I want to say I bring gift for Ram, here for Ram is there, different preposition, so it is called dative case. Then take a book from Ram, so from preposition is used, it is called ablative. This is first creation of Ram, here preposition is of, genitive case. Many qualities are there in Rama, so here in preposition is there. And in the last sentence, Hey Ram, we are using Hey in English. Hey Ram, before Ram we use Hey Ram. So how to write in Sanskrit, that we will understand in the next slide. Come here, so that is called vocative. Students, these all red color words, Rama, to Ram, by Ram, for Ram, from Ram, of Ram, in Ram, and Hey Ram, all these words you can do in Sanskrit. For that certain table you need to understand. Let us see in the next slide. Here you see Rama ending with a vowel sound ending, and masculine noun it is, right? Now here you read Rama, to Ram, by Ram, for Ram, from Ram, of Ram, in Ram, Hey Ram. All these meanings are there, right? Now all these words in English have Sanskrit words like this, but modification is done. See, Ramaha means just as subject, Ramaha as subject, right? So that is called subject or doer, and the case name is nominative in English. In Sanskrit it is called karta karaka. Yeah. Now here to Ram is called Ramam, again modification, that is called object. The case name is accusative, right? That is called karma karaka. Then by Ram is called Ramena, instrumental. Karana karaka, by or with is the use, third case. Then for Ram is called Ramaya, from Ram Ramat, of Ram, Ramasya, in Ram, Rame, and He Ram, He Rama or Bho Rama, right? So we are having a different words in Sanskrit, modified words in Sanskrit for Rama, right? So students, here you would be surprised that what is this nominative, accusative, then instrumental, dative, ablative, genitive, locative, vocative. These are actually showing the name of the different cases. Now what is case? Case is actually showing the use of different preposition, right? That is called karaka. Karaka means what? Karaka means something which is related to the action. Now subject I, like you already had an example. Student is playing cricket in the ground. What is the action? Playing. Now how many words are connected with this playing action? The student as subject, cricket as the object, in ground, where the cricket is being played, in ground. So ground is also connected with the playing action. So all these words which are connected with the action, that all are called as karaka. I repeat, the words in Sanskrit language, the words which are connected with the action, that all words are called as karaka. Now these words can have a different preposition like to, by, for, subject, object, from, of, all these can be there. Now as you saw, Ramaha as subject, Ramam as object, Ramena means by Ram, Ramaya means for Ram, Raman means from Ram. Let us see in the table now here. So my dear students, here you read Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, all the singular word is there. Now if you want to say Ramaha as subject, as doer, you can use one. But if you want to say two Rams are playing cricket, then Ramo. Many are playing cricket, then Ramaha. So different forms we have. Ramaha, one Rama as subject, then Ramo as two Rams, and Rama as many Rams. So Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Then Ramam as object, two Ram, right? T-O, two Ram, to one Ram, to two Rams, and to many Rams as object. Ramena by one Ram, Ramabhyam. What is the dual of third case? These are the cases, first, second, third. Third case dual is Ramabhyam, by two Rams, Ramehi by many Rams. Ramaya, fourth case, as fourth case is Ramaya for one Ram, for two Rams Ramabhyam, and Ramebhya for many Rams. Then number 5, fifth case, representing from meaning, right? From Rama, from one Rama, from two Ram, and from many Rams. Then Ramasya, of one Ram, of two Rams is called Ramayoho, and of many Rams, plural, Ramanam. Then Rame, in one Ram, in two Rams, Ramayoho, in many Rams, Rameshu. And when you want to call a person whose name is Ram, you can call as Hey Ram. You can't use any of these words. A specific word, Hey Rama. Two Rams are there, two boys with the same names. You can call Hey Ramo, like this. And many names are, many boys with same names you can call as Hey Ramaha. Now you would be wondering that why these words are written in between. Deva also. I am explaining only the first, third and the fifth column. Why this Deva is written? The reason behind, students, you people already understood that Rama table, when you want to utilize a different preposition before Rama, right? Suppose of, for, from, in, then when you want to utilize it, right? You are having different modified words. As subject you have a one word, for object you have one word, right? Sanskrit words you saw. For dual and plural also you saw, right? Now students, thousands and lakhs of words are there in Sanskrit ending with same sound. Rama ending with A. There are many words ending with A. Vruksa ending with A. Deva ending with A. So if you will learn this one table, Rama table, you can make the forms of any A sound ending word. Any table you can make, any word table you can make. For that you need to remember this table, Rama table. The most important table in Sanskrit language is O ending Rama, because most of the words are there in Sanskrit which are in O sound ending. I am not telling that different vowel ending, I ending, E ending are very rare. They are also there, but most words in Sanskrit language you will find with O sound ending like Rama. So it is the most important table, right? So before we understand the similarity between two different words, Rama and Deva, I want you people to understand the use of this each case, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So let us go back, student, and let us understand. First case use, you people will tell me, you people will respond. What is the use of the first case? Your answer should be subject or doer, right? What is the use of the second case? Object.
Object.
Yes. What is the use of the third case? By. Fourth case use? For. Fifth case use? You can respond.
From.
From. Sixth case use?
Of.
Seventh case use?
Location.
In. Now student, here you see use. To, at, by, with, all these usages are there, you can use. In, on, into, at you can use. Alright, at is here also, here also. And eighth case is He Rama. Right, A or Ho. Let me tell you students, out of these 8 cases, case means vibhakti, partition. Karaka. What is Karaka? I already given you the definition. A kind of a words which are related to the action. 6 Karakas are there. 1 Rama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. 6th is not considered as Karaka. Let me tell you. Why? See, of Rama, this is not related with the action. No. And the last Sambodhana is also not Karaka. Karaka word is actually created from the root verb kru. Kru means to do. And to do is like an action. So when there is an action and the words which are related with the action is called Karaka. Now why 6th case, that representing of meaning of preposition, is not considered as Karaka? Let me give you an example. Student is playing cricket in the ground, that you know. Student is connected with playing, action is Karaka, subject. Cricket object is connected with playing, action, Karaka. In ground is also directly connected with the playing, right? Playing in ground. But if I would say student, listen to me carefully, student is playing cricket in ground of school. Of school, is playing action connected with the school?
No.
Not at all. Playing action is being done in the ground. Now ground can be of school, can be of any other place. So off ground is connected with the in ground is connected with the off school, and off school is connected with the ground, but playing action is not connected at all off school. That's why when off is there, it is not connected with the action, that is not considered as Karaka, right? So off meaning word is never considered as Karaka. Only 6 Karakas are there. Which 6 Karakas are there? You check again. That first as subject is Karaka, right? Karta Karaka. Then object also as Karaka, like cricket, like. And Karana by Rama is also Karana Karaka. Sampradhan Karaka for. From 5th is Karaka. 6th is not considered Karaka. And the 7th in Adhikarana is also Karaka, the locative case. Now students, these cases you see in English language, we have nominative, instrumental, dative, ablative, genitive, locative, vocative, that representing the different meanings, right? It has a Sanskrit name also. Karta karak, karma karak, karana karak, sampradhan karak, apadan karak. Sambandha is not karaka, and it is a possessive, right? Possessiveness it's showing. And adhikarana is karak, and sambodhana another case, right? It's showing only the vocative case. So now you people need to remember the order. Which order? Listen to me, and you have to speak it, right, in your mind. Subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. And here you know the last one. I repeat. Subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. You have to remember it forever, lifetime. Very important. The most important thing. Subject, object, for, subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. Anytime you must know this, compulsory, because these 6-7 words are going to be that much useful for you people in multiple topics. Let me tell you, in multiple Sanskrit grammar topics that you are going to study in future, these 7 words, subject, object, by, for, from, of, in, are going to useful, very useful. So keep in mind, anytime people will ask, tell us the use of the cases, you should say subject, object, by, for, from, of, in, like this. Alright, remember this. Now, yeah. So, dear students, here you understood that subject, first case is representing subject, second case is representing object, third is by, all these things you understood. Now, here you read, if you want to say, now I will ask you certain questions, students. You will just tell me the word, pick the word and tell me. Okay? I am speaking some sentence in English and you tell me the word. Okay, I am speaking a sentence. You people will tell me what will be the Sanskrit word for this particular English word. Okay. I brought fruits for Rama. Which word you will write for Rama?
Ramaya.
Excellent. Ramaya. Alright. I brought fruits for Rama. You said Ramaya. That's true. That is fourth case representing for Rama. Now, there are many good qualities in Rama. In Rama. In Rama, which word you will select out of this singular?
Rame.
Rame, that's true. Rame, that is in Rama. Alright. We are talking to Ram. To Ram. We are talking to Ram.
Ramaya.
Not for Ram, my dear. To Ram. T-O. Object. Which case representing object?
Ramam.
Yes, Ramam. Alright. Now, my dear, you people understood the use of the different case. Right. Now, there can be two, there can be many. That's okay. You understood. Just need to double. One singular, two dual. Meaning is same. It can be more than 2, 3, 4, 5, infinity will be plural. Right. So, we have here Ekavachana, you can read Ekavachana singular. Here dual Dvivachanam. Let me zoom little bit more. Dvivachanam dual and Bahuvachanam plural. The meaning is same of all this. Right. Now students, here we have a word Rama that is ending with A. Now you have another word Deva ending with A. So you see the similarity here. You can make thousands of A ending noun forms in Sanskrit by learning Rama table. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. You have to speak it many times and you have to learn by heart. But when you want to create a new words like Ramaha, Devaha, make the forms of Deva just like Rama. Then Ramaha, Devaha, Ramau, Devo. Look at the last sound. Ramaha, Devaha, Ramam, Devam, Ramau, Devo, Raman, Devan. Like this. Ramena, Devena, Ramabhyam, Devabhyam, Ramaihi, Devehi. Similar, completely similar. Right? So, here in this table you see if a word ending with a, Rama, and another word ending with a, masculine, you can make the forms like Rama. So thousands of words you can create by learning one table. Now let us talk about Ayurveda. Ayurveda word is ending with a sound, no? You can, okay, somebody, can anyone tell me what is called in Ayurveda in Sanskrit? Check this. Tell me Sanskrit word for in Ayurveda meaning in Sanskrit. In Ayurveda. You must be knowing in. Where in, which case representing in?
Ayurveda.
Yes, absolutely. Ayurveda. So my dear, when you read Ayurveda word in sloka, it means in meaning is there in Ayurveda. Somebody tell me, if I would ask you, what is Sanskrit for of kapha? Of kapha.
Kapha.
Sorry?
Kapha. Yeah.
Oh no, of kapha.
Of kapha. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Kafaya is representing fourth case, for meaning, F-O-R. Here I am asking of kapha.
Kapaha.
No. Which
No.
case representing of? Apostrophe S or of?
Kapasya.
Yes, kafasya means of.
Kapasya.
So here I just wanted you people to experience something that you haven't still, it's not your fault, but you have to remember the order: subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. This order you keep in mind, and that you apply with any table in Sanskrit language. Same meaning: subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. If you will keep in mind, then you can see, oh, it is third case, subject, object, by. Oh, by meaning is there of the third case. Sixth case, subject, object, by, for, from, of. Yes, sixth case, of. So of meaning is only there, no other meaning is there. So like this you can apply. So as I said, of kapha is called kafasya. Now in sloka you will definitely find kafasya word. Now one more question. By many malas. By many malas. What should be the word in Sanskrit? By many malas. Many, remember, many plural.
Malaihi.
Excellent. Malaihi. Third case representing by, and the plural is Ramaihi, Malaihi, by many malas. Because mala is ending with a sound. Mala. You can say as Malaihi, like Ramaihi, by many malas. Another question. Get ready. What should be the Sanskrit of from Vata? From Vata.
Vatat.
Yes, absolutely. Vatat. Absolutely. Fifth case. Right? Ramat. Ramat, Vatat. From Rama, from Vata. So dear students, here you already understood that if you will remember the table of Rama, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, any word ending with a sound you can do. All clear? Remember the meaning of each case. Remember the table also. Very important. Now, These are the usages of each case. Let us revise. How many total cases are there? 8. How many karakas there in Sanskrit language? 6. What is, how many vachan numbers are there in Sanskrit? 3. Ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Right? Singular, dual, plural. How many genders? Obviously, we know it's very common. Gender. Masculine, feminine, neuter. But in Sanskrit, masculine is called pullingaha. Feminine is called strilingaha. Neuter is called napumsakalingaha. Get it? So 3 gender we have. Now let us discuss about the usages of the cases. Okay. So we have like first case representing what? First case. First case is representing
Instrument?
no. First case.
No.
Number 1.
Singular.
First
Subject.
Subject.
The doer of the action. Second case is
Oh.
representing
Object.
object. Right? When you ask what, you will get the answer, that is object. Third case representing
Instrument.
instrument, by. Fourth case representing
Like something recipient.
FOR, for. Fifth case representing from. Sixth case is representing OF, of or apostrophe S. And seventh is representing in, into, on, at. This kind of preposition. Clear? So this, and last one, hey, oh, for calling someone, located. Now students, in this syllabus you read what is written here. Shabda means word, and Rupani means forms. You saw not today. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, they are called Rupani forms. So noun forms. Shabdarupani means noun forms. Here you read this word. What is written? Pullingaha means masculine. Shabdarupani, noun forms. Here can anyone tell me what should be the meaning of this word? Akaranta. Any idea about this word?
Current, it means the sound at the end.
Yes.
The half of it
Yes.
is.
A word that is ending with a sound is called akaranta. Right? So here we have Vata, Vedya, Rugna, Rama. These 4 words, you see the similarity, all are ending with a sound. Now these words you need to remember, you need to prepare for exam. So here we have Rama, already we understood, no? So other forms will be same as Rama. Right? Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Then what should be for Rugna? Rugnaha, Rugno, Rugnaha. For Vedya, Vedyaha, Vedyo, Vedyaha. For Vata, Vataha, Vato, Vataha, like this. So if you will learn one table, you will be able to remember all the forms of all these words. Vata, Vedya, Rugna. Right? Now, here we already discussed about that first table, Rama. Here, this table we understood, the meaning also we understood of each case, and different number, dual, plural forms are also there. Now students, here I want you people to have an exercise. Look at this. You people can see on the screen different words are there. Yajata, Jana, Veda, Sravana, Kapila, Vruksha, Mahesha, Shiva. I want you people to note down these words. And here if you read, what is written? Singular 1. These are the cases, remember. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. What you need to do here, you need to write actually the first case. Singular is already written. Right? Just like a Rama table. All are like a Rama table. Why? Because all are ending with a sound. See, here you read. Yajata, Jana, Veda, Savana, all are actually ending with a, no? So all must be same like Rama table. So here in Rama table you have dual also. Ramo and Ramaha. So what you need to do, you need to prepare the words just for the practice. Here it is Yajataha. What should be the dual? What should be the plural? Just check the Rama table and write for Yajat. And for Jana, second case, what should be the dual? What should be the plural? For Veda, third case singular is Ramena. Here you see, what is the third singular? Ramena. So here it is Vedena. Right? You must be having doubt here why there is na, and in Ramena why there is ana. The reason behind that I will tell you later. Right now you just keep in mind Vedena as na. There are reasons like a word has ru, ra and sha, cerebral sha in the word. Then na will be converted to na. You see, Rama is actually having, Rama root word is having how many consonants? 2, ra and ma, and 2 vowels, a and a. So it has ra letter, no, in Rama, ra. So that is why, because of ra, this na converts to na. There are 2 another letter, sha, cerebral sha, and ru vowel also. If ru, sha or ra consonant is there in the word, then that converts the last na to na. But here you read in Vedena, in this Vedena, that Veda word is there. There is no ru vowel, ra consonant or sha, cerebral sha in that root word. So na will not convert to na. Right? Let me type here for your reference. These 3 letters you must have this in the word. Ru, ra or sha. If any of these 3 letter is there in the word, in the root word, then because of this, any of these 3 letter, na that is coming at the end of any word, that must be converted to hana, cerebral hana. But in Vedena, it's already va and the, and no ru, ra, sha is present, is there in the word. So na will not be converted to na. Alright. So student, this is going to be your homework. Please note down. I hope you understood your homework, what you need to do. Just fill up these blanks as per the Rama table. Okay. And I will send you this file that you see here. This file I will send you today after the class. So you can utilize this. This file also I will send you for your reference. So you can utilize and prepare the forms. Understood everyone what you need to do?
Yes, sir.
Yajataha, it would be like Yajatau, like this. Dual, just like Rama, alright? Like this, make the different table, different suffix cases, forms. In Sanskrit language, all masculine words which are ended with a sound have same 24 forms as Rama. Alright? Now, after this, here you read a specific things I am explaining about the pronunciation of Visarga. Students, some students are having some trouble, some problems in terms of pronouncing this Visarga. You know, because Visarga can be ended with any word. A and then Visarga. U, then Visarga is there. Bhanu, then Visarga. How to pronounce Bhanu ha? No. How to pronounce a Visarga with different vowel ending? Let us study. A specific thing I am explaining, it is not a part of exam. How to pronounce Visarga after different vowels. Here you read Rama ha. What sound is there in that? A. So aha, it is called ha. Aha. Then this one is a. Aha. After E, short E, Muni, E, he. Visarga should be pronounced as he. After long E, also he. After U, Bhanu, Visarga, Bhanu, hu. Visarga should be who. Then Denu, Visarga should be pronounced as who. Denu, who. After long U. After Ru, who again. Matru, who. Lru again. Lru, who. Then munne, after a sound, visarga should be pronounced as a he. Bhano, o ho, bhano ho. Ramai, I, remember he should be pronounced there in place of visarga. He. Ramai he. Go hu. This is just for your reference, students, for the good proper pronunciation. Alright. After this, more homework on the same Rama table, students. Check this one. What is written here? We are having different words again. Mayura, Hasta, Surya, Krishna, all are ending with a sound only, just like Rama. Meaning is also here. Now you have to make three words. For first case, just like Rama table, first case. Then second, Hasta, second case, words you should write here. Third case, words you should write here. It will give you a good exercise after learning the Rama table. And then remember, we are not having only one word ending with a sound, Rama. We are having e ending, u ending, ru ending. Forms will be almost similar. A little bit difference will be there in some forms. Otherwise, meaning is always same. Subject, object, by, for, from, of, in. Meaning will never be changed. Forms can be changed, right? But as the first lecture that you are attending about the noun, no, the different forms, different usages of each case is there. So here I am going to send you this file for homework purpose, for learning purpose of the table, learning of the different cases also, use of the different cases, everything that you saw here in the lecture, that you will find in the material also that I will send after the class. Alright, so learn it well and do the homework, and then maybe next class I will discuss about the answers of this homework. Don't worry, I will discuss first about the answers of this homework, and then we will discuss about more noun forms ending with different vowels, e ending, u ending, right? So you people can have an idea that how to prepare it, right? And like this we can discuss about this topic, Shabdaroopa, o ending, e ending. Obviously we are not going to discuss all the noun forms given here in the syllabus, but now you get an idea that o ending, e ending, here we have consonant ending. Then we don't need to discuss about each and every form. You people will need only the table, no? You people will need e ending, u ending table, ru ending table. That I will provide for your reference in future. Okay, so you can remember with time by reading, by speaking it. Okay, so my dear students, here we have completed this class. We understood about everything about the nouns, right? And next class will continue with the another different vowel ending nouns. Alright, thank you so much for being, and take care of yourself. See you on Monday at 7:30. Alright, thank you so much. Bye bye.